In this video, we will learn another character that represents a cooking tool, which is li. Li is also a cooking tool. Its shape is similar to ding. Also with a round mouth. Has 3 legs, meaning 3 feet. But these 3 legs are hollow inside. To increase the heating area. The original meaning of li is a steaming and boiling utensil. Characters created from li are all related to cooking utensils. Next, let's look at róng, as in 消融 and 孔融. The earliest form of the character róng, let's look. Below is 土. Above, 3 insects are drawn. What does it represent? Spring arrives. Ice and snow begin to melt, and insects become active. Later, the character changed its creation method, became with li on the left. Li is the tool for cooking. Li is used to boil food, used to represent the meaning of heating and melting. The chóng on the right indicates the pronunciation. From this character creation method, we can see, casting technology became more advanced. And the tools people used became more complex. So they used such bronzeware to create new characters. The original meaning of róng is melting. Melting means a solid turns into liquid when heated. Therefore, its extended meaning is fusion and harmony. There is a term called 融会贯通, which means to integrate knowledge from various aspects or principles together, to gain a comprehensive and thorough understanding. Just like blending and melting all things together, combining them as one, hence called 融会贯通. Next, let's learn ge, as in isolation. We said li is a cooking tool. It has 3 feet. Like ding. Ding stands separately. So li is used to represent separation. Plus a left ear radical. The left ear radical means high slope, indicating using a high slope to separate or isolate. So the original meaning of ge is to block. Ge diaphragm in humans or mammals, is a membranous muscle between the thoracic and abdominal cavities. Because it separates the thoracic and abdominal cavities, so it is called ge. Later, the term ge is used metaphorically for what? Having disagreements with each other or a person being inexperienced in something. For example, there is a deep ge between him and me, as if being separated or divided. Later, to represent the heng ge, a new character was created. Let's see. The left ear radical was replaced with meat yue, indicating it is related to human organs, thus written as such a character ge. Now these 2 characters are used separately. Xiong ge and heng ge use the meat radical character using the character with the meat moon radical. The metaphor for disagreements, having ge, uses the character with the left ear radical related to this ge. There is another character, ge, as in hiccup. Hiccups occur when the heng ge spasms. Gas passes through the closed vocal cords producing sound. So it is related to the heng ge. Therefore, directly on the character, ge for separation. The meat radical was changed to mouth, kou, thus creating ge for hiccup. From these characters, we can see a very important method of creating new Chinese characters, which is changing the radical. All related characters adopt the same phonetic component, only changing the semantic radical that indicates meaning. Producing new characters, their meanings can be interconnected. So this character creation method is very important. Finally, let's look at the character xiàn, as in contribution. The earliest form has li on the left, and xiàn on the right. Li is the steaming and boiling tool. Qiàn is dog. But here it represents dog meat. The whole character form represents after cooking dog meat, offering it to ancestors for sacrifice. Later, the character added a tiger radical to indicate the sound. Combined, it became the traditional character xiàn. The simplified character changed the left part to nan, This is a simplification based on cursive script. The origin of the whole character form becomes less clear. The original meaning of xiàn is to offer to ancestors and gods. Sacrificial animals. Then the extended meaning is to respectfully offer. For example, 贡献, 献礼 both mean presenting. Further extended to performing for others. For example, 献殷勤, 献丑 both have the meaning of performance.